Good morning, New York. Well, at least people that trade the New York session. So we've had some good developments in the London session. Very good day, I would say, where all trades went to target. So let's see what we have left on the New York session today. We were looking at in the London session for price to trade down into the 4-hour range equilibrium, and that happened. Then we got a bounce from Asia low after price has taken Asia low back into the, let me see, yeah, back into premium of this range. So we're trading this range from this high from 23,025, this low. So all in all, bullish on both ranges. We've traded the retracement into this 4-hour equilibrium. Then we went with the overall bias. Let's go to the 15-minute. So if we look at the 50-minute, price has traded, as we said, towards its 4-hour equilibrium. It actually did not tap it all the way through. Price bounced from this footprint in the discount of the range, then inverted here, right, market structure shift, and there it is. London created its high. Now for the New York session, we have had SMT here, so that's one SMT. This is actually also an SMT from here to here with yes. So if we look, we are still trading the same range, right? In this, but if we look at what target do we have as low hanging fruit inside this range, we have this and this. So we have previous day high as drawn liquidity. Now if we look at the 4-hour chart here, let me actually do this. So let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, you see that price has not yet confirmed above this structure here. So although we have this strong liquidity, I'd like 4-hour candle close above the structure for a higher move all the way into this high, all the way into this high here. Otherwise, in the next 4-hour candle, we might see this all taken. If not, we will reassess after this 4-hour candle ends. So we still have 3.5 hours on this candle. 3.5 hours. That would be 3.5 hours. Yeah. So my money is on the open, going and taking this liquidity here, something like this. Then I think we're coming back down. And the reason I'm saying that is because if we look at prices has inverted this gap, and I'm just thinking that it's building up liquidity to go lower. Also, as I said yesterday, the day before, commercials are net short, and we are inside the week. It's Wednesday, and we're still inside bar relative to last week. So, as I said, I'm inclined to see the market going lower. Of course, if, let's say, price trades into this drawn liquidity and we see clear confirmation above this structure here, and we see something like this, and comes back down exactly into the 50% of this range and goes up like that. This structure here is holding price inside this range. And we can see this, of course. That's the outlook for today, in your session 9 of July. Take care, trade safe.